everybody, welcome. We're going to do another craft, so I'm going to put out some more craft kits for you guys, and this time we're going to be making this beautiful banner here, a fall leaf book page banner. So it's really easy because it's just from old found items, and it's pretty quick. You do have to do some things on your own. I'm not providing everything. So each kit comes with instructions for the banner, 10 book pages, the template for the banner pieces, and then enough yarn to make the string there. So what you do have to do on your own is go out and find leaves. So go for a little walk around your neighborhood, go in your yard, find some pretty fall leaves, and then you'll need to press them in a book or underneath some hard surface for a few days so that they flatten. Probably 2 days is fine. I mean, if you want to check them after one day and they look nice and flat, you can use those. So you want to do that first, and then after you do that, you'll take your book pages, or while they're pressing, whatever you want to do, take your book pages and then trace the template on the pages. This is very easy. You probably do not need an instructional video from me, but it's always fun. So we will then cut out all your template pieces. I have enough for 10, so you will need at least 10 leaves. If you want to put more than one leaf on each little banner piece, go for it. So pick as many as you'd like. Then you'll cut out your 10 banner pieces. Take a leaf, glue it on. This is like the easiest thing ever, but it's so cute. If you put it on a mantle or just hanging up on a wall across your windows, your house will be ready for fall. And then you'll just glue on the leaf. Then you might want to wait a little while for the glue to dry before you start the next step, but I'm going to do it right away here for you. So see, it already looks super cute. So then you turn it over and you'll fold down like 1 inch to 1.5 inches so that the yarn can go through. Now if you would like, if you have twine at your house, twine would also be really cute. We just have lots of yarn, so that's what is in the kit. After you do that on all your 10 pieces, what you'll do is the yarn doesn't really slide through very easily. So what I did was put it on the yarn and then tape it. You can glue it, of course. And then I have another piece here. I'm not going to do the full 10 pieces here for you because you get the gist. I'll take that one. And then after you do that, you'll have a nice banner. And like I said, it'll look really cute in anyone's house. And of course, after you put them all on, you space them however you want. So very easy, very cute, very literary, and we love literary things here at the library. So that is your craft. Really, the only thing that takes the longest is pressing the leaves, because you have to let them sit for a few days under a heavy surface so that they aren't curled up on you. And that's all. I hope you guys like the kits. They'll be outside on the table. Please only take one. They're just while the supplies last, so come on and get one and have some fun. Hope you guys have a good day. Bye.